All right, I want everybody to see this. Here's a lawnmower for everybody. Look at that. This is a Pennsylvania, it's called. This is awesome. Look at this. Does anybody remember the grandfathers or dads, or have you ever seen this in action? That would be awesome mowing with this. Come on. All right, let me walk around this tree. Hang on, everybody. All right, here we go. Here's the back. Please comment if you think this would be awesome or not. All right, everybody, hit that subscribe button. See ya.